This week I'm traveling to Pune, Nasik, Nagpur and Mumbai, all the centers to talk about your strategy. So in case you are based in Mumbai, Pune, Nasik, Nagpur, you can attend my session. It's a one-to-one session. The classroom is not open yet. So it's a one-to-one session mainly for strategy forming. For the online student, I'm going to make videos for CAT 21 as we go along. But if you want to meet me, just call us numbers given here and my team will be more than happy to book an appointment. All the best. Guys, when Steve Jobs started, the first thing he did, he cut out the crap. He cut out all the non-productive parts from the phone and he bought an iPhone. So this is an iconic picture. This is the motivation for me for CET, that try to innovate, try to bring in something new. Same way when I look at the MBA ka books, this is the famous book, one of the famous books you have in the market, and this is the index of the book. So you can see here all the chapters here from the book. So they are around 13 chapters plus total 22 chapters out of in your syllabus. Out of them, can you believe it, most of them are not coming in the CET exam. कौन सा आ रहा in the CAT exam? Whichever is coming in the CAT exam is quant based DI, number 12, number 8 team formation, and number 16 game to tournament. That's it. Only 3 chapters out of the full book is coming in the exam. Why to then study from the mota book? That's my main fundamental issue, because these thick books are good to show, but when it comes to the preparation, it will take the motivation away from you. Yeah, so that's why when I started CET King, we cut out all the crap. जो चीज़ आता ही नहीं है, क्यों करना? Syllogism, yes, it have come in the CAT exam earlier, but when 20 years ago, it have not come in the CAT paper for the last 20 to 25 years. So why to waste my time on those topics? Yeah, so we're cutting out all the crap. So this is the new books we are launching now, orange books, with target of clean the cutoff. Meko IIM jana hai bas. I don't want to look at IFT, SNAP, other exams. My focus is only on the IIMs. So this is the cutoff clearing workshop, and we are the only classes who have put the cover as well on the book, orange books. Yeah, with CAT 2021 written on that, because they're printed in 2021. So as we talk, the books are being printed and the pre-booking is on now. So you can pre-book it now and you will get the books within next 10 to 15 days in your hand. Yeah, the main agenda is very simple, cutting out all the crap. So we're launching this 10 books ka pack. I'm dividing the preparation into parts. Yeah, in every booklet, every book, your target is to cover up. So I'll just show you the same thing I did for CET last year. These are the 10 books for CET. Every book is worth 25 marks each in CET on average. Same way, every book on CAT will be worth 10 marks each. So I can easily see this is my strong area, this is my weak area. That is the cutoff clearing workshop. I'm not talking about IIM Ahmedabad, I'm not talking about IIM Bangalore. मेरे को बस cutoff निकालने की बाबा जी एक IIM की call ला दो. So that's your CAT 21 cutoff clearing pack orange books. Then if you want to move up the value chain, you want to go for the Pro Pack. So we're launching the Pro Pack as well. Pro Pack is basically those who want the main IIMs. Orange books is for the cutoff clearing. Pro Pack is basically if your target is a main IIM. So we're cutting out all the crap. So in case you want to buy the books, you can go for that. So I'm claiming them the best book because of the syllabus. Yeah, okay, we only want to show you what is coming in the exam. I want to cut out all the crap. Yeah, जो चीज़ आती नहीं है, why to show that to students? Yeah, we are going to do that in primer, yes. But before we go to that, we have the primer pack. So there's a complete program here which you can see on your side, which is the primer pack. Immediately we'll send the primer pack, because the next 1 month I want to focus on primer. Primer is very, very basic, fundamental, school level of maths, school level of English, so that we go back and do the grammar rules for once. Yeah, same way for verbal as well. We've removed grammar vocab. Moti book jo aapki hai na in the market. I don't have any book lying around me. Other I shown you that. So I get all these books free from various publisher की सर हमारा books recommend कर दो. इतना मोटा books क्या फ़ायदा यार, इतनी मोटी books में से क्या फ़ायदा? Now if I talk about the English का part, out of this book 300 pages are vocabulary and grammar, which is coming 0 marks in the CAT paper. Why to waste my time? Of course, I need to know some basics of vocab and grammar, which we are going to cover up in the class. But why to waste 300-400 pages? Half of the book is vocabulary and grammar, which is not coming in the exam. Rather than this, I want to focus on mainly what is coming in the exam, like RC. Within RC, science-based RC, social-based RC. So I wanted to go deep down into those areas. Para jumble, para completion, we want to focus more on that. So you can go for 2 programs. Either you can go for the orange books or you can go for the Pro Pack. Yeah, both the options are here in front of you. So in case you want to join this program, you can call the numbers given in the description box, and my team will be more than happy to help you out. This week I'll be traveling to Pune, Nagpur, Nasik and Mumbai. So in case you want to meet me, you are most welcome to discuss your strategies. All right, all the best.